Today's a bit vegetable heavy, but I'm not mad about it. Barley, cooked sweet potatoes, a little blend of curly kale and dino kale. Now let's cook. All I'm using is one pan. So this is technically a one pot meal. And as this is heating up, I'm just gonna take a salmon fillet and generously season it with salt on both sides. Then once this is nice and hot, a little drizzle of olive oil, a couple spoonfuls of barley. And by a couple, I mean about 5 to 6 scoops. And then I'm adding literally a couple spoonfuls of sweet potatoes. Once everything is nice and hot, transfer to a bowl. And then I'm just setting this on high heat, neutral oil. Presentation side down first. To incorporate some fat into that salmon, we're adding a knob of butter. And while this is finishing up cooking, I'm gonna take some of my kale, taking some of my basil dressing, a little pinch of salt, gonna massage it up, topping it with that dressed kale. My cooked salmon to the top. And then I'm just gonna toss in some of those blanched green beans, just sort of zhuzh them up. A little spoonful of my whipped soy garlic butter, tiny pinch of salt. I'm gonna take those green beans and spoon them in. I'm just gonna spoon some of that garlic butter on top of my salmon. And then for a little added crunch, hot honey cashews. And then to balance out the fat, I'm gonna add some of my pickled shallots. Then I'm just gonna take my basil vinaigrette, a few dabs of it all over the bowl. It's like a little art project. Wow. And now my dinner is served. Ciao!